In this video, we will be assembling a J.M. Stevens wooden straight razor. Empty the contents of your bag and grab a bottle of super glue. The kit has two sides, the wooden razor, a spacer, and two small dowels. Take the spacer and place it on one of the sides. Make sure to line it up in the proper position before you glue. Then apply super glue and your spacer. We will now glue part of the dowel into the spacer and first side. Then glue the second dowel with just a small dot at the end into the left side. We want to make sure we do not glue the razor blade in place as it will need to swivel, so do not apply glue to the dowel rod where the razor will touch. You may then apply more glue to the spacer and put the second side lined up on both of those dowels. Do not apply glue to the left dowel just yet. After that has set, you can apply some glue to the left dowel on the outside and then take a small pocket knife or Q-tip or some other small item that you do not mind getting glue on and smooth that glue down into the hole. Then you can still use that pocket knife as a score, or if you have some heavy-duty scissors, you can do the same thing with that. Score that dowel rod and break it off. Make sure you test your mobility to make sure that you did not glue that razor in place. And now you have your wooden straight razor, ready to be played with and enjoyed.